What kind of parallels can we draw between Taiwan and Hong Kong? What do you think are the people of Taiwan are thinking looking at Hong Kong?
Well, I think the way that things developed in Hong Kong have undermined the kind of trust in any kind of story coming out of Beijing that there's a place within sort of Xi Jinping's version, at least of the People's Republic of China, for a place where people live very different kinds of lives. And I think a lot of people in Taiwan feel they're living a very different kind of life than on the mainland. So in that way, I think Hong Kong was an important example that way. And there were connections there was a Taiwan protest in 2014 before the big protests in Hong Kong by people who were young people who felt the government then was moving too much toward working together with Beijing. So they've been interconnected stories. And I think we sometimes miss how people within a region are looking at what other people in the region are doing and are taking clues from it about sort of how to agitate for the things they care about, what the risks are, what the dangers are. Autocrats within different parts of a region are looking at each other too, as well as globally.